morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. All right, traders, my apologies. Another quick video tonight. I've been running around with my crew getting ready for the trade show at the Mandalay Bay. It's next week, traders, the money show. Woo-hoo! Come on down to Vegas, baby. The money show at the Mandalay Bay. May 11th through the 14th. That is next week. We have a speaking engagement on the 14th at 10:30 a.m. Make sure you are there. All right, traders, what I'd like to say is the Emini, as you know, has been an official buyer of dips for weeks now, right? Last night I came out and did a video for you and I said, hey, there could be a little pullback. The indicators get a little weird. We're going to take the seller of rallies posture for trading on Wednesday. That worked out, traders. 3 for 3, baby. Yeah. All right. Now, once again, like we've seen for the last few weeks, Emini goes from selling one day to buying the next. Tomorrow, we are buying dips, traders. Listen, tomorrow the stress test results get released, right? I couldn't even fathom a scenario where the Fed put this whole thing together in order to release a report that would knock the market down. Could anybody even fathom, the Treasury, I should say? Do you think the Treasury put this whole stress test thing together in all these weeks leading up to the results so that when they release them, they knock us down back into the bear? Doesn't make sense, right? What makes sense is that no matter what they release, it's going to look like things are getting better because they need to regain the confidence of the traders in this country and around the world. So I'm thinking the analysis looks higher. The chart formations, traders, there is no denying these chart formations lately in the indices are very, very bullish looking. So we are buying dips tomorrow. At least we will start the day off with the posture of buying dips. If it doesn't work, we are day traders. Our stops are in, of course. And we can always end up going to the short side if that's what it calls for. But again, we're going to at least start tomorrow off. Tomorrow being Thursday, May 7th, 2009. We are going to start the day off with the buying of dips posture. All right, traders, big hurdle here. The test of the head and shoulders off to the left in the S&P, in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the Dow Jones Transportation Average. In most indices, you have this massive head and shoulders we had broken down from. Now back out of that V bottom, we are testing the head of the head and shoulders as this market continues higher. If we get above the head, next hurdle, 200 bar moving average, which is up in the 960s. It would be nice to see the S&P get there, but we'll take things one day at a time. Okay, traders, we have at our site, we have a trade set up for you. The site is www.livewithoscar.com. Grab yourselves a membership, hop into the chat rooms, and we'll show you the recommendations we will be trading on Thursday. All right, traders, I got to run off to the printer now to get the stuff we delivered last night so that we're ready for the trade show. So I'm out the door. Remember, always place stops. Always place them first. A stop is your best friend. And keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do is to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is? Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I'm a 27-year seasoned trader on and off the trading floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years.